Welcome to Mandarin Made Easy. And today we will learn how to say "Are you mad?" in Chinese. Means how to express your displeasure to someone. There are several ways to show your displeasure in Chinese. But we will start from the easiest one and we will go step by step logically so that you can learn all of these sentences by heart. But before I equip you with these sensitive sentences, you should know that these sentences can also offend others. So please be careful and thoughtful while using these dangerous sentences. So let's start. But please subscribe my channel immediately and turn on notifications. Now the easiest way to say "you are mad" in Chinese, a sentence that consists of only 3 words as well. It is 你有病. Literally, it means that you have disease. So the main word here is bìng. Okay? Bìng means disease. And here in this lesson, this word is very important. So please repeat it with me. 你有病。你有病。Third time. 你有病。Once again. 你有病。Now say it yourself 5 times at least. Okay, now the next way to say "you are mad" is 你有毛病. The word 毛病 means some defect or a flaw, especially a mechanical defect. So this sentence 你有毛病 means you have some defect, means you are mad. So now let's do its practice as well. Repeat it with me. 你有毛病. Second time. 你有毛病. And third time. 你有毛病. And once more. 你有毛病. Okay. Now repeat it yourself 5 times again. Now let's involve the word brain here as well. Brain in Chinese is 脑子. So we will put this word with 你. 你脑子 means your brain. 你脑子有病 means your brain is faulty. Your brain is ill. Your brain is mad. There is something wrong with your brain. Means you are a mad. Okay. Let's do its practice. 你脑子有病. It's easy as well. 你脑子 有病 and once more 你脑子有病 yes, say it with intensity. Say 5 times again at your end. Now we will replace the word bìng with some other words to have some variety in our anger. Now say this sentence with me. 你脑子有空。你脑子有空。你脑子有空。Now you should be asking what is the meaning of 空. 空 means a hole, blank. So means there is some blankness, there is a hole in your brain. Means it is defective. Means you are mad. Let's repeat it 2 times more, okay? 你脑子有空。你脑子有空。Okay. Now let's try to say it yourself at least 5 times more. So with the word brain, we have learned 2 options. One is your brain has some disease and the other is your brain has a hole. So in Chinese it is 你脑子有病 and 你脑子有空. But don't worry, we will add some more taste in this sentence by replacing this bìng and kong. Now we will use the word 问题. 问题 means problem. So 你脑子有问题。你脑子有问题。你脑子有问题 means your brain has some problem. Means you are mad. These are easy sentences, but you have to learn them by heart. And this can be achieved by doing more and more and more practice. So you should rewind this video and watch it more and more and more. Now the next replacement for 问题 is also very simple and easy and interesting. It is 泡. 泡 means a bubble. So 你脑子有泡。你脑子有泡。你脑子有泡。你脑子有泡 means there is a bubble in your brain. Means your brain is not okay. Means you are mad. Now the next one is even more interesting. It is 你脑子进水了 means in your brain water has entered. Your brain is filled with water now. Means you are a mad person. So it is also actually very humiliating. Okay, let's do its practice so that you can use this dangerous sentence whenever you need it. 你脑子进水了。你脑子进水了。 One more time. 你脑子进水了。Excellent. And now the last humiliating sentence. 你神经病。Yes, these three words. 你神经病。你神经病。Once more. 你神经病。This word 神经 means nerves. Means your nervous system is defective. Means your brain is defective. Means you are mad. So these were 8 ways to react in Chinese. But please be careful, okay? And let's revise it once. Please repeat it with me. Number 1. 你有病. Number 2. 你有毛病. Number 3. 你脑子有病. Number 4. 你脑子有空. Number 5. 你脑子有问题. Number 6. 你脑子有泡. Number 7. 你脑子进水了. And number 8. 你神经病. So this was today's lesson and I hope you would have enjoyed it a lot. Would you mind giving me a thumbs up, please? Do you have any questions or suggestions? Please tell me in comments. So let's move on to our next topic.